Glam Up app, your perfect look. So here is the app, very similar to Umax, where you can just upload your selfie, and this app will give you recommendations how to how to improve and find your perfect your colors, and just will perform that like a facial analysis, and will help you to find your face shape, eye shape, skin tone, and all your facial features. So then, yeah, you can just go in here, you just open it up, and then I don't know if it's actually just for girls or no, seems so it's for everyone. And then you need to enter a referral code if you have one. So here is, yeah, just, I guess then it will allow you to get a free purchase. And then find your color season and find your perfect colors, see yourself and get a guide, facial analysis, and then you can just do this scan. So that's the idea here. And then you can just select a scan, and then if you want, you can just have invite code. So yeah, that's what it is. That's the idea. So there you have it.